All right, drink we're about to make is called Dark and Stormy number 2. First thing we will do is put our ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of dark rum. There we go. And we're just going to pour some ginger beer over top of it. There we go. Let that foam settle a little bit. This should have a nice ginger flavor to it. And go ahead and mix it up. Get the dark rum mixed in with the ginger beer. There we go. That should do it. Obviously, don't want to shake it with beer in there or you will have a foamy mess with Dark and Stormy all over everything. So let's go ahead and set this here for a good view of it. And we're going to add a slice of lime. And you have yourself a Dark and Stormy number 2. Bottoms up.